Hi, hey, this is Hans, and it's time for another episode of Unboxing Time with the Ramen Raider, the show where I show you what comes in the mail. And today I've got something from the United States. This is a package from Palmetto Foods. Well, let's crack it open and we'll learn a little more. Look at that! So what have we here? This is called Ramen Express, and I first heard of these guys in the grocery store. I went to the grocery store and all of a sudden in this spot I saw a stack of these boxes. I'd never seen this brand before. So immediately I'm like, I need to contact them and see what they're all about, and I talked to some nice people there. And we're going to do a Meet the Manufacturer series and possibly a little promo thing, which you'll hear more about should it happen. I think it will, and it'll be cool. And yeah, let's take a little look at these. All right, so here we go. It's Chicken Ramen Express by Chef Wu. Who's Chef Wu? We'll get to that. But yeah, these are made in, what does it say? South Carolina? Yeah. Palmetto Gourmet Foods in Salida, South Carolina. Palmetto State, if you didn't know. And yeah, these are made in the U.S. This isn't like a product that's made in China and private labeled for the U.S. This is all done here. They feature they're vegetarian. Where is it? They've got 5 grams of protein, 280 cal per cup. The sodium is in a standard range for a cup this style. And yeah, I'm very curious about these. As soon as I saw them, I was like, what the heck? What is this all about? Who's these people? I've never heard of them. I'm the Ramen Raider. I know everybody, don't I? Nope, I've never heard of these guys. So, very cool. No MSG as well. And they've got 2 other flavors. They've got their Beef Ramen Express. And the one I'm very interested in now that I know about it, their Hotter, Spicier. So wow, cool, and yeah, I'll update you guys when things happen with the Meet the Manufacturer and possibly that promo very soon. Well, cool, thank you very much to the folks over at Palmetto Foods for shooting these over. Yeah, I'm really interested and very curious about these. To see a new brand on the market in the U.S. is always something that really gets me like really excited. So I think maybe today I'm going to have to do a mukbang of this hot spicy one. That might be a requirement. Hey, it's only 280 calories. Oh, that's the beef one. Where's the spicy one? That's the chicken one. Where's there we go. Hotter and spicier. Yeah, 280 calories. I can drop that for lunch and then do a bunch of walking, so I'm good. Anyways, this has been Hans the Ramen Raider wishing you enjoyment of your instant noodles each and every day. Have a good one. Bye.